Welcome to this practice exam conducted by Steadfast Skill Assessment Academy. So my name is Shravani, I'm your practice examiner. These exam questions design is similar to the asked speaking test. So as you know, IELTS speaking test has 3 parts, part 1, part 2 and part 3. And the exam will take of about 11 to 14 minutes. So we are going to start first part 1. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's begin. What is your full name?
My full name is Akshaya Deepika.
Okay. What can I call you?
You can call me Deepika.
Okay. Where are you from, Deepika?
I'm from Hyderabad, a big city from southern part of India, and I live in LB Nagar area.
Let's talk about your hometown. So, what is your hometown like?
My hometown Hyderabad is a lively and historical city. It's well known for its IT industries and historical monuments like Charminar and delicious food like biryani. We can find modern life and traditional life in the same city.
Okay. How has it changed over the years?
It has been developed a lot, especially in IT industries. Many new companies, shopping malls and metro stations have come up and make the city more modern.
What do you like most about living there?
I especially enjoy the food and cultural diversity there, and the people are too friendly. We can find traditional bazaars and modern facilities in the same city.
Is there anything you would like to change about it?
Yes, traffic congestion is a big problem. Public transportation has to be improved to make people life more easier.
Great, Deepika. Now let's talk about your free time. So, what do you do usually in your free time? Okay.
In my free times,
Now let's talk about.
I usually read books or listening to the music and going out with my friends.
Okay. Great, Deepika. Now let's talk about free time. What do you do usually in your free time?
In my free time, I usually read books or listening to the music, and sometimes I go out with my friends.
Okay. Do you prefer to spend time alone or with friends? Why?
It depends on my mood. If I feel alone, I read books, or otherwise, if I want to be energetic and happy, I go out with my friends.
How much free time do you usually have on weekdays?
On weekdays, I don't get much time because of my studies, but 2 to 3 hours.
Okay. Has your free time changed since you were a child?
Yes, definitely. When I was a child, I got a plenty of time to play and spend time with my family, but now I am busier with my responsibilities and the studies, so my free time is limited.
Oh, nice, Deepika. Let's go with part 2. Now I'm going to give you a topic and you have 1 minute to prepare, and then you should speak for 1 to 2 minutes. You may make some notes if you wish. Okay? Okay, take this pen.
Thank you.
Describe a book or film that had a strong impact on you. You should say what it was when you read or saw it, what it was about, and explain why it influenced you so much. Your time starts now.
Okay.
Thank you. I will stop you there.
Okay.
Okay, start, Deepika.
Okay. A book that had a strong impact on me was Rich Dad and Poor Dad, which was written by Robert Kiyosaki, and one of my friends has suggested me. I have read this book 2 years ago. The book is partly based on the author's own life. He talks about the lesson he learned from two fathers' figure. The book is partly based on his own life. He talks about the lessons he learned from his two fathers' figures, his own father who was poor and his friend's father whom he calls the rich dad. The poor dad was highly educated but he struggled financially, while the rich dad had a little formal education but has financially successful. The book explains the difference between working for money and money working for you. It highlights the importance of financial education investment and developing assets rather than just relying on monthly salary. This book influenced me a lot because it changed the way I think about the money and success. It motivated me to plan my finance better and to look at opportunities beyond traditional jobs. It also gave me confidence that with the right mindset and skills, anyone can improve their financial situation.
Okay, thank you. I'll stop you there. Let's talk more about books and films in society. Do you think people read fewer books today than in the past? Why?
Yes, I think people generally read fewer books today. One reason may be rise of digital media and social platforms which offer them instant information and entertainment. People spend more time on using their mobiles and watching videos rather than reading traditional books. However, ebooks and audiobooks are increasing, so the reading books has not completely disappeared, it is in different form, that's it.
Nice, Deepika. How has the rise of online streaming changed the way people watch films?
Online streaming had made people much more convenient. People no longer have to go to cinemas to watch movies. They can watch anywhere and anytime. It has also increased the variety of content available, including international films and series, which were less accessible before. However, it may reduce experience of social in the theater.
Should school encourage children to read more novels? Why or why not?
Yes, school should encourage children to read novels. Reading improves vocabulary, imagination, and critical thinking. It also helps children to understand human emotions and different cultures.
Nice, Deepika. Do you think films based on real events are more powerful than fictional stories?
Films based on real events can become more powerful as they connect people to the reality and create more stronger emotional impact. That said, fictional stories can be more impactful by exploring human experience in an imaginative way. So, both have their strengths.
Okay. In the future, do you think technology will replace books and cinemas completely?
I don't think technology will completely replace books and cinemas. Technology can offer alternatives like ebooks or streaming services, but physical books and cinemas have a unique experience appeal. Many people still enjoy holding a book and watching a cinema in a big screen. So I believe both will coexist rather than being fully replaced.
Okay, Deepika? Well done.
Thank you.